Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 4 of part A physics and part 1 of paper number 4. So let us answer the physics part. In the previous video we have answered all the questions related to practice paper number 3, part A physics, part B chemistry and part C biology. Now in paper 4, let us answer all the questions related to physics. The first question is the SI unit of electric power is volt, coulomb, watt, meter. So the right answer for the first question is option C. Option C, watt is the right answer. So now let us move for the second question. So in the second question, so what happened to electrical resistance when area of cross section of conductor increases? So what happens to electrical resistance, they asked. So we have to write resistance is inversely proportional to resistance is inversely proportional to area of cross section. Resistance is inversely proportional to area of cross section. That is, resistance is inversely proportional to area of cross section. As resistance increases, area decreases. As resistance decreases, area increases. So this is the answer for the second one. So now let us move for the third question. So what is the third question? On what factor does the resistance of a conductor depend? For that one more option is there. State Ohm's law and write its mathematical expression. So internal choice question is there. So now let us answer. On what factor does the resistance of a conductor depends? So resistance of a conductor depends. Resistance of a conductor depends upon the following. Resistance of a conductor depends upon the following. A, it depends upon, that is, nature of material. It depends upon nature of material. It depends upon length of the conductor. It depends upon length of the conductor. Second one is length of conductor. Third one is area of cross section. Area of cross section. And the last one is it depends upon temperature of the conductor. It depends upon temperature of the conductor. Therefore, R is equal to rho L divided by E. So this is the answer for third one. So in third one internal question, internal choice question is there. So let us answer that one. So now state Ohm's law. It states that at constant temperature, current flowing through a conductor, at constant temperature, current flowing through a conductor, is proportional to potential difference across its end. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So like this we have to answer question number 3. Now let us move for question number 4. In the question number 4 they have given when a 12 volts battery is connected in series with the resistor 3 ohm, 4 ohm and for 3 ohm, 4 ohm, 5 ohm and 12 ohm respectively, how much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? So now let us see uh, how much current will flow through 12 ohm resistor. So now, so R1 is given as 3 ohm, R2 is given as 4 ohm, R3 is given as 5 ohm and R4 is given as 12 ohm. So these are connected in series to a battery of 12 volts. So voltage is given as 12 volts. So now we have to find out how much current is flowing through 12 ohm resistor. Since all of them are connected in series, in each resistor the current will be same. Because in series circuit the current flows through each resistor will be same. So now let us find out the total resistance. Rs is equal to resistors connected in series is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. How much current flowing through 3 ohm? The same current is flowing through 12 ohm also. So Rs is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 12. So total resistance will become 3 plus 4 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 12 24. So total circuit resistance will be equal to 24 ohm. Now let us calculate the current flowing through 12 ohm resistor. I is equal to V by R according to Ohm's law. So I is equal to V is 12 and R is 24. So 12 ones are 12 twos are. So current is equal to 1 by 2 or it is equal to 0.5 ampere. So 0.5 ampere of current is flowing through 12 ohm resistor. So now let us move for the next question. It is a fifth question. So in the fifth question they asked you to write, draw a diagram of R1, R2, R3 are connected in series and label the electrical instruments they asked. So now let us draw the that is R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series. So let us answer question number 5. So this is R1, this is R2 and this is R3. R1, R2, R3. All the three are connected in series. This is ammeter. This is battery, positive terminal. Ammeter is connected in series. And this is the plug key. Then voltmeter is connected. You have to draw using the scale. This is the voltmeter and the voltmeter is connected in parallel to the resistors. So this is R1, R2, R1, R2 and R3 are three resistors which are connected in series, are three resistors. So this is the symbol of ammeter. This is ammeter and this is the symbol of voltmeter. Then this is plug key. This is plug key and this is the battery. This is the battery. This is negative terminal and this is the positive terminal. So this is battery. So like this, three resistors are connected in series. Now let us move for the sixth question. So in the sixth question they asked, why is the series arrangement not used for domestic circuit? For A question. B is, what is Joule's law, Joule's heating effect of electric current, and write its one application. So now let us answer both the questions. So why is the series arrangement not used for domestic circuit? The first point is, if one appliance fails to work, If one appliance fails to work, other appliances are also affected. Other appliances are also affected. This is the first reason. Second one is each appliance will get same current. Then each appliance will not get full voltage. And the last one is total circuit resistance will be more. So total circuit resistance ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is A. So now let us write the B. Let us answer for B question. What is Joule's law heating effect of electric current? It states that heat produced in a conductor is proportional to square of current resistance and the time for which current flows. According to Joule's law, H is equal to I square RT. So this is Joule's law. So application of Joule's law, it is used in electric kettle, electric geyser, then electric cooker, electric fuse, electric bulb, etc. So these are the applications of Joule's law of heating effect. So by this we have completed all the answers related to practice paper number 4 physics part A. In the next video we are going to answer for part B chemistry. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. Thanks for everyone for your great support. Once again, thank you very much.